So if you want to write better YouTube scripts using Grok AI, yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to go from idea to a full script step by step. First, open Grok inside the X app. Just log in and tap on Grok from the menu to get started. Now, give Grok a clear topic. For example, YouTube script about how to grow a channel in 2026. The clearer you are, the better the script you'll get. Next, ask for a structure like include intro, main steps, and outro with timestamps. This helps Grok organize everything properly. You can also control the tone, like asking for a friendly, conversational, or energetic style. Yeah, this makes your script sound more natural. Now, generate the script, then review it. If something feels off, just ask Grok to improve it, shorten it, or make it more engaging. For voiceovers, ask Grok to simplify the language and add natural pauses. This makes it perfect for tools like 11 Labs, and that's it. Now you know how to use Grok AI for YouTube script writing like a pro. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.